Today we are talking about ChatGPT and how it can help you level up your YouTube channel. In today's era, YouTube is controlled by AI, and if you don't grow with AI, you are getting left behind. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways ChatGPT can explode your views and make YouTube 10 times easier. Now I know what you might be thinking. Isn't ChatGPT just for answering questions? No. It's a secret weapon for YouTube growth. It can tell you what works and why it works in this content game. And I can tell you for free that your content will perform way better if you do what I'm about to show you right now. If you're new here, I'm John, a content nerd helping creators like you win with video. Alright, let's dive in. The first tip is to use ChatGPT to find high volume keywords in your niche. 70% of viral videos used high volume keywords in their titles. That's how they get a lot of views. If you're wondering what high volume means, basically it means popular keywords that people are searching for. You need to use those keywords in your titles, in your descriptions, and in your tags so that YouTube will know who to show your videos to. This is very important. Think of YouTube like a dating app. If you match a viewer's search type, boom, you are on their feed. That's what keywords do. ChatGPT can help you research popular keywords without opening a single tab on Google. It's crazy. Imagine this. You've got a channel about baking or making pizza. You can tell ChatGPT, I'm a YouTube content creator in the home baking and pastry niche. The goal of my channel is to help people bake pastry products like professionals from the comfort of their homes. What are the most searched terms for my niche on YouTube at the moment? Send this prompt and boom, you've got a list of trending topics that you can make content on and get tons of views. You can choose one of the keywords like best pizza recipe as the idea for your next video. But finding keywords is not enough. You have to turn those keywords into titles that will get clicks. So the second tip is to use ChatGPT to optimize the keywords into titles that grab attention. All top creators have one secret. They use SEO boosted titles for their videos. If you check their titles, you'll see a combination of popular keywords and curiosity optimized to get clicks. So the way you phrase the title of your videos, it actually matters much more than you think. If you are making content about a pizza recipe and your title is My Pizza Recipe, the question is, why should anyone be interested in that? What's so special about you that will make people want to know your recipe? Such a title will only make sense if you are already popular and have a large audience. But a title like This Homemade Pizza Recipe Was a Family Secret for 40 Years sounds more interesting and more likely to get you clicks. The second title came from ChatGPT, and you can get other interesting titles if you understand prompt engineering. Just follow this prompt. Tell ChatGPT your idea. For example, you can write, I have an idea for a video on the best homemade pizza recipe. Give ChatGPT your unique angle on that idea. Something like, I'll be talking about a secret pizza recipe that's been in my family for decades. Ask ChatGPT for 2 optimized titles that will rank your video high for this topic. Then specify what emotions you want the title to provoke from viewers. Here I'll say, make the titles curious and interesting to get a high click-through rate. And boom, I've got 2 titles. The first one is Best Homemade Pizza Recipe Ever. Family Secret Dough Finally Revealed. And the second title is This Homemade Pizza Recipe Was a Family Secret for 40 Years. If you're someone who likes this type of content and those titles don't make you want to click, I don't know what will. But a great title on its own is nothing without an amazing thumbnail. If you have been making content for some time, you know that by now. So the third tip is to use ChatGPT to optimize your thumbnails. I'll show you a secret way to do this in a moment. But if these tips are helping you already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you want more content strategies like this. Alright, let's go. A good thumbnail can make or break a video. It's the first thing that people see when your video comes up, so it has to grab attention very fast. This is where ChatGPT comes in. It can help you brainstorm ideas that will have people clicking on your videos left and right. Now, I'm not talking about asking ChatGPT to generate a thumbnail for you. That's surface level. I'll take you deeper. I'll give you a prompt strategy that will boost your click-through rate, and I can guarantee that you start getting views. Let me show you what ChatGPT did with this prompt. It's wild. For the title, this homemade pizza recipe was a family secret for 40 years. ChatGPT suggests that half the thumbnail show a stunning golden homemade pizza up close, fresh out of the oven, and the other half shows a blurred out vintage recipe card or a family cookbook held in your hand. You can add your face reacting in surprise or pride, and the thumbnail text can read 40 years later or the secret is out. Yummy. With this kind of prompt, if you still can't get thumbnail ideas from ChatGPT, nobody can help you. Here's the prompt I used. First, tell ChatGPT the title of your video. So, this homemade pizza recipe was a family secret for 40 years. Tell it a bit about yourself and what you hope to achieve with the video. I'll say, I'm a content creator in the home baking and pastry niche. The goal of this video is to help people learn how to make pizza like professionals from the comfort of their homes. Then ask for thumbnail ideas and a couple of optimized captions for a high click-through rate. That's the secret. And that part about optimized captions is very important. If your thumbnail will contain text or caption, it has to be one that will complement your title and psychologically appeal to the viewer to get clicks. I'll leave this prompt in the description of this video. You can customize it for your thumbnails and leave the word thumbnail with a thumbs up in the comment section if it helped you. The fourth way to use ChatGPT is to get structure and retention tactics for your videos. Let's be honest, views don't matter if people aren't watching your videos all the way through. YouTube will stop pushing your content. That's where retention comes in, and retention starts with structure. ChatGPT will give you a structure that will keep your audience hooked from the beginning to the end. This is all you need to do. Give ChatGPT your video idea, your target audience, and your goal for the video. Then ask it to create a hook, opening loop, mid-roll CTR, cliffhangers, and a strong close. Basically, you're saying, give me a content blueprint that will make people stay. Let me give you an example. This is a prompt I gave ChatGPT. I'm a YouTube creator making a video titled, "This homemade pizza recipe was a family secret for 40 years. My unique angle is adding aged mozzarella to the cheese topping. I want the video to be entertaining and keep viewers watching till the end. Create a script outline with strong hook, 5 clear sections, retention tactics between each tip, and a closing call to action. Write the entire script in 5th grade language." And voila, this is a flow optimized video structure with a killer hook, talking points that flow together, pattern interrupts to keep the viewers from getting bored, and a strong ending that makes people want to click your next video. This is exactly what the YouTube algorithm loves. A video that keeps people watching and signals to YouTube that your content is top quality. ChatGPT can also tell you where people might lose interest and what to do about it. For example, you can say, in this script, where are viewers most likely to drop off and what can I add there to keep them watching? And just like that, you will get a retention plan baked into your script. It's like having a YouTube editor, a coach, and viewer psychologist all in one. If you're not using ChatGPT for your scripts, you are just throwing spaghetti at a wall and hoping it will stick. I'll have a more detailed version of this prompt in the description. Try it and thank me later. The 5th tip is to get SEO optimized descriptions and tags using ChatGPT. Most creators skip this step, but it could be the reason your video never gets found. You may have structure and retention built into your content, but if you don't upload it with the right information, you'll struggle to get views. Even if you are not uploading yet, this step helps you rank the moment you start uploading. What you need is a killer description and tags that will help YouTube understand what your video is about and who your target audience are. ChatGPT can help you do this. Just use this prompt. It's a 2-in-1 knockout combo, and I can guarantee that you start getting views. First, tell ChatGPT the title of your video. For this example, I'll give ChatGPT one of the titles I'm considering for this video you're watching right now. Ask ChatGPT to give you an SEO optimized description that will include high volume keywords for this topic, a clear call to action, and a couple of popular hashtags relevant to the topic at the end of the description. Also ask ChatGPT to provide tags that contain high volume keywords relevant to your video separate from the description. This prompt will give you the best result if you attach your video script. It will give ChatGPT the full context of your video. I'll leave this prompt in the description, but check out this response from ChatGPT. Want to grow your YouTube channel faster in 2025? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful ways to use ChatGPT to explode your YouTube channel growth. From finding high-volume keywords to generating viral video titles, click-worthy thumbnails, and more. Whether you are a new or seasoned creator, these ChatGPT YouTube strategies will save you hours and can help you get more views, clicks, and watch time using AI. And then you have a clear call to action here and 5 optimized hashtags at the bottom. The only thing you need to add to a description like this are your video timestamps and your business links. For the tags, ChatGPT gave me a list of popular tags, and I'm sure they are part of the reason you found this video on YouTube. So there you have it, 5 ways you can use ChatGPT to skyrocket your content on YouTube. If you like this video and you got value from it, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more content like this. Check the description for the prompts and let me know in the comments how they helped you. This video here will show you how to create a studio background for free with AI. Check it out if you are worried about not having a fancy background. In the meantime, keep creating and I'll see you in the next one.